Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at the verbs to permeate and to pervade. Let's see, permeated as an adjective, I guess, but more common as a verb. Pervade, pervasive. Okay, so to permeate or to pervade means to spread through something and be present in every part of it. If we look at the verb to permeate, this normally talks originally about water moving through a solid. Yeah, so the water permeates through the solid rock. It moves slowly through the interstices. Yeah, the water permeated from the ground up into the walls of the house. Yeah, and I wouldn't use pervade like that. Pervade I would only use for qualities, for characteristics, for smells, for tastes, when something has spread through something and is present in every part of it. You can use permeate as well. So the violence that permeates our society, the violence that pervades our society. I think also I might use permeate more, meaning to move everywhere, whereas I might use pervade more to give the indication that it's arrived, it is everywhere. The taste of chili that pervades all Asian cuisine. Not necessarily true, but it's very nice. So to pervade and to permeate, to penetrate, to diffuse through. Okay, so that it's absolutely everywhere. Yeah, the room was pervaded with tobacco smoke. Maybe the tobacco smoke permeated from the room next door where they were smoking. Yeah, so it's moved from one to the other. To permeate, to percolate into, to riddle, to suffuse. Okay, so to pervade, to become diffused through every part of something. A great feeling of sadness pervaded the film. The constant hunt for money that pervades all our lives. Yeah, it has permeated into our souls, perhaps. Okay, so to spread or flow throughout something, to permeate, so to permeate. Yeah, you could have liquid permeating a membrane. I put some flowers in a vase, and the lovely smell slowly permeated through the room. After that, the smell of the flowers pervaded the whole house. Yeah, it was present in the whole house. It was present everywhere. The bias against women that pervades our society is present everywhere. Okay, the beliefs of the far right that are permeating through our society. Okay, so to permeate, to move into, yeah, to pass through, and therefore to spread, to enter, and to penetrate. The problems of pronunciation which pervade in the English language, yeah, they maybe permeate from one student to another. Yeah, so to pervade, to be in every part of, to be spread through. The the cruelty of war. Yeah, this is a theme that pervades history, is present everywhere in it. So, to permeate and to pervade, how formal are these? I think to permeate, I'd give it a 6 in formality, but you could use it anywhere. I think to pervade, pervasive, you could use as give it. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, so use anywhere as well. Both words are slightly on the formal side, but they're definitely flexible words. They're both regular verbs. The smell permeated the room. The smell has permeated the room. Injustice pervaded the society. Injustice has pervaded our society. And then, what about origin? Well, to pervade comes from Latin, per vado. Per, which is normally an intensifying prefix, and then vado, walk. Or to go, so per vado, to go completely throughout. And that's clearly the meaning. And then permeate from the verb permeo, to traverse, to penetrate, to go into. Yeah, and I guess we've got this per again, through. I'm not quite sure what the meo bit is, but okay. So to permeate and to pervade, these are two good words for you to use. To be everywhere in something, to be something that you just can't avoid. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pervade and permeate.